Now, the relationship that you are in, my brother, is it could be one of the reasons why your things are not working out. Because now Mjola is expensive, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna tell you, Mjola is expensive. Mjola is fucking expensive. Ne? It's fucking expensive. It's even expensive for me. Because now constantly you have to buy flowers, like randomly every month or so you must buy her flowers. You must if she breaks her phone, you must replace it. She wants to go to movies, restaurants. You see, women constantly need money, even though they are not asking for it directly, but they constantly need money. So now, if you are a hustler, my brother, and you have taken a relationship and you have placed it number one, yet still you don't have anything that you can point under your name, that is a bad move, dog. Honestly, that is a bad move. Because now when a person like me comes on board, I can easily take your woman, and I know you will say it with confidence right now that no, you can't take my woman. My woman can't leave me. She loves me. Yeah, she loves you, dog, but you don't have what she needs in the long run, you know. So now when you are still hustling and you are in a serious relationship, Valentine's Day, let's take Valentine's Day for example. Now you must spoil her. You must your last 2,000 rands, you must take her to the hotel or whatever, take her out for lunch, dinner, whatever. You know, men constantly do sacrifices for women, and women have no idea about it. Now only you know what you did for you to. Yeah, sorry, I'm back. Bailey, it was a phone call. So Kana, what was I saying? I even forgot what I was saying. Remind me, man. Remind me. You know I have memory problems. Remind me. What was I saying, my people? Remind me. I even forgot what I was talking about because I talked too much. Oh yes, Valentine gifts. Yes, thank you for reminding me. So yeah, as I was saying, that now you are a hustler. You are a hustler now, and it's Valentine's Day. Your woman expects you to spoil her, obviously. She expects you to spoil her, do all those things. But now, when it comes to hustling, dog, every cent matter. And the truth is, in 2016, if I was in a relationship the time I was hustling, I don't think I would have gotten to 100K. My biggest breakthrough was getting to 100,000 from literally nothing. Now, if I had a woman, I was not gonna get to 100,000 because my first 10,000 I was gonna take it to Gold Reef City, take it to the hotel, take it. You understand? So it's hard to budget when we are in that situation. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not talking about men. We have men on this life. Men, we're talking about people who are old, right? So if you're old, it's fine. Your time is over. I'm talking about youth, like upcoming grown-ups, upcoming adults in a way, youth. They must know these things so that they need to know that you don't take mjolo and put it front pam kwabantu or front kwa pambili. No. You put hustle first, then mjolo after. Because at the end of the day, in the long run, trust me, your girlfriend can leave you for a guy who's... Actually, it's always the case. Your girl will always leave you for a guy who's better than you. It's very rare, very, very rare for a woman to downgrade. Before she could move on with the next guy, she's gonna find out what does this guy do for a living, what does he have and all that. And now, the truth is, most women are gold diggers, but they are not aware. I'm gonna make an example, a very practical one. Now, how many... Now, ladies, listen to this. And I know you guys are gold diggers, but you're not aware. I'm going to make a practical example of why I say you are gold diggers. Number one, when a guy sends you a DM, the first thing that you do before even responding is to check the profile. Why? It's fine. You are checking if this is a human or not. I understand that. But now, when you're going through you can easily see that this one is broke. And when he doesn't look clean, when he looks broke and all that, you don't respond anymore. And then now, coach, I will check my DM. Girl, yo, since I DM'd this girl, did she respond me? Then now it says seen. But now, my brother, he sent the same message, but you responded him. Why? You guys are low-key gold diggers. You are gold diggers, low-key. You don't even know it as well. That's why you look before you respond. If you look like, this one looks like he's hungry, they are not going to respond to my brother. That is the sad truth, right? Number 2, at the robots, you see at the robots, there are people who are selling, right? People who are selling stuff at the robots. It could be key holders, license discs, car chargers. You know, these guys at the robots. Now, how many of you girls who can actually give your numbers to any of those guys? Let's be realistic. If myself, I was working at the robot selling key holders and I see you and I ask for your number, would you give me? If you find me at the robot, be honest, would you give me as a woman? Hell no, never. But now if I ask for your number while I'm driving a fucking G63, would you give me? If I ask for a number while I'm driving a G63, same person. The only difference is different thing here is the scenarios. Here I'm working at the robot selling car key holders, whatever the case it may be, flowers, whatever the case it may be at the robot, and I'm asking for your numbers. You wouldn't fucking give me. But if I'm driving a G63, the same person. So now you can see it's not even about the person. It's about how you portray yourself, how you present yourself. So women are also low-key gold diggers. So now, if you're broke, my brother, why must you fucking prioritize a gold digger? I mean, let's be honest. Why must you take a woman that could leave you anytime and make her your everything? Now, the reason why I say this, dog, is because your girlfriends, they're on our DMs, dog. All the time, trust me. And I'm not saying me per se, don't get me wrong. But yeah, your girlfriends are on niggas' DMs. When from a distance, you are in love. Yeah, she's busy trying to find a guy who's better than you. Now, when you've taken all your time, your energy, you've invested it in a relationship. You see, you've invested everything that you have in a relationship, dog. Why don't you take the same energy? Because now I've seen, yes, some niggas are romantic out there. Now I'm not romantic. Now money works for me, hey? Money works for me. My kind of romance is that when you call me and say, yo, babe, I'm tired, I'm at school and so. My romance, my type of romance is I'm going to call my chauffeur. I'm going to call my chauffeur. I'm like, yo, Jason, that's the name of my chauffeur. Can you please go fetch my girlfriend and take her to her favorite restaurant? And yeah, if she likes, she can even do a couple of shopping because I'm in a meeting now. You see, that is my type of romance. So money always works for me. When I'm not available, I always use money to pretend as if I'm romantic. But the truth is, I'm not romantic. Now, there are niggas who are fucking romantic. A nigga who has a mere 500 rands can do something that's gonna make a girl very much happy. Like, yo. Like, Yazin, with 500 rands, not to make my woman happy, I need 50,000.